was a nice experience of this 3-day workshop, and I'm very thankful to him and Ranjit sir, in which we came to know about the power of these words, what are the positive words and what are the negative words which we should not use in the class with the students. What is the use of I, how to take responsibility to complete any work, how to deal with the students, even how you should always not use don't and all with the students. How can these words enhance their learning? Also we came to know about the different learning style, visual, auditory, kinesthetic, how every child has a different way of learning. I came to know, and I'm surely going to apply it in the class. That will help my students to learn in their own way, and I think surely they will be benefited. So thank you so much sir for giving your precious guidance, and it will always remain in mind. Thank you so much.
Entirely new, it's very important thing कि भाई दो चीज़ों को मैं दूंगा, एक तो ये बहुत अच्छा रहा हर चीज़, और दूसरा कि ये नई चीज़ है एंटायरली, इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं था कि कहीं से ओल्ड मेरे लिए नहीं था, सब कुछ नया था। जो हमारे जो लाइफ के जो पास्ट गुड एक्सपीरियंसेस जो थे उन पे एक प्रकार से ब्लेसिंग हो गई, वो सामने आ गए, जो हमेशा एनर्जी सोर्स की तरह काम करेंगे, और वो सामने ही आ गए। और तीसरी चीज़ है कि उनको रिकॉल हम लोग कर सकते हैं, तो गुड एक्सपीरियंस जो है पास्ट उनको हम रिकॉल कर सकते हैं। तो 2 दिन से अभी मैं बहुत कूल फील कर रहा हूँ, हल्का दिमाग से, दिमाग में काफ़ी कुछ वो था, बम्बार्डमेंट थे कुछ चीज़ों को लेके, वो हो गया है, हल्का है एकदम, माइंड अभी पीसफुल है। और कुछ जो एंगर थे, हिडन जो एंगर का वीडियो था, वो भी काफ़ी हद तक न्यूट्रलाइज है अभी।
And it was a pleasant surprise that every day and every activity, everything was new, even if I had done it before. So, have been great, and I have enjoyed myself thoroughly. Did a lot of learning, and in a nutshell, I have come to realize that there's so much to do to understand yourself, to become a better person. So much you can do about it. Something which is which is a great feeling, because when you're conscious about what you need to do to become a better person, you actually can work towards it. I wish, and I really think that whenever it's going to happen next, I would love to be a part of it. It's a fantastic, experience. I would recommend, if anyone really wants to make a change in their lives, rather than reading a book, attend a session like this, and I'm sure that it's going to help them a lot. About Ranjit ji, he's a fantastic trainer. I have known him since past 10 years. He has he makes a certain connection with people which normally people, generally people do not. And I feel very comfortable with him talking about myself, my issues. So he makes me feel at ease, which is very, very necessary for a trainer, as a trainer. And he has tremendous technical knowledge about the subject. He knows what he's doing, and he practices it.
इन 3 दिनों में बहुत शानदार अनुभव रहा, और ये जो कार्यशाला रखी गई, उससे हमें ये सीखने को मिला कि किस तरह से हम हमारे शब्द शक्ति का बदलाव करके, उनका प्रयोग करके एक सकारात्मक वातावरण स्कूल में या जीवन में ला सकते हैं। और ये बदलाव बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि जैसे पहले दिन ही हमें सिखाया गया आई और वी, तो जब हम वी बोल रहे होते हैं, जब हम औपचारिकताओं पर रहते हैं, लेकिन जैसे ही कोई कार्य स्वयं पे ले लेते हैं तो एक जिम्मेदारी, एक उत्तरदायित्व का एहसास होता है। ये एक नई चीज़ लगी, और वो हमें प्रयोग में भी लेनी चाहिए, क्योंकि कहीं न कहीं अचेतन या अवचेतन में ये रहता है कि अगर हम सब हैं तो ठीक है, सभी कर ही लेंगे, लेकिन जैसे ही मैं शब्द प्रयोग में लिया जाता है तो वो एक जिम्मेदारी का भाव बढ़ता है। वहीं कल हमने देखा कि बालकों के व्यवहार को कैसे हम जान करके उनके अनुसार हम प्रयोग करें, क्योंकि होता यह है कि हम सभी को एक ही लाठी से हाँक रहे होते हैं, लेकिन इस वर्कशाला से, कार्यशाला से हमें ये लगा कि सभी अलग अलग हैं, भगवान ने सबको अलग अलग बनाया है, तो सबकी सोच अलग अलग है, सबका व्यवहार अलग अलग है, और हमें हमारे अनुभव किसी पे थोपने नहीं है, क्योंकि एक ही स्थिति में सबके अनुभव अलग अलग हो सकते हैं। और अगर मैं दोनों ट्रेनर की बात करूं तो जहां खुल्लर सर मुख्य वक्ता के रूप में रहे, वहीं हितेश सर ने सभी जगह जहाँ पर भी क्षतिपूर्ति का लगा या जहाँ पर भी एक माहौल डल हो रहा है तो उसको वापस अब कैसे किया जाए, और हिंदी में हमने एक मुहावरा पढ़ा था कि 1 और 1 11 होता है। इन दोनों को देख करके बिल्कुल ये एक सटीकता लगी कि 1 और 1 11 किस तरह से हो सकते हैं। तो किसी भी काम को अगर एक टीम वर्क की तरह किया जाए, मैं लेकर के वी पर आ जाए तो सही ज़्यादा बढ़िया हो। धन्यवाद।
My name is Joginder and I am from TVS Credit Services Limited. I am working as a regional manager HR, and since I have been associated with Ranjit, I think it's been approximate 1 year NLP program for dietary manager level people. So it was good experience with the training team. Having said that, even though they do have NLP is very most important factor these days we are considering, and in corporate I think everybody should go for such program because it enhance the behavioral pattern for the individual, and it's because of this you will able to identify how the individual persona behaves and how we can go for their improvement in line with the current business scenario, current looking at the market condition as well. Because after this there was tremendous improvement happens in the people, and those earlier we were planning to move them into next role, we have moved them and they have shown a good progress, in terms of their identification was very nice, and they did a fabulous job, I would say rather. In terms of Ranjit, of course he is a very excellent trainer. Approximate 90 people they have been trained for 3 days. It was 3 days full program. So now I think we are also planning to look forward for another program also in future as well. But whenever you are feeling people are looking depressed, people are not able to cope up with the current market scenario, the users we can go for independent body for such kind of trainings and help you, like it's impact, its help allows a lot to get to know the people about their behavior, about their nature, about their day-to-day routine, how they can maintain, and they can easily come up with a lot of new ideas, so we can work on their development plan according to that NLP session. So I would strongly recommend it to the people, wherever or whosoever is listening this message, I would strongly recommend for this all the corporate guys. Best of luck.
अभी हम दोनों ने हैप्पीनेस पे जो वर्कशॉप करी रंजीत सर ने, और साथ में रुचि, शालिनी, श्वेता भी थी, बड़ा अच्छा लगा। एंड ऐसी मैं पहले भी 5-6 वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड कर चुका हूँ, उससे भी मुझे बेटर लगा, दैट वाज गुड। तो वास्तव में इस समय आज की जो व्यस्त लाइफ है इसके अंदर हैप्पीनेस का एक अलग इम्पोर्टेंस है, और जिस ढंग से हमारे अंदर से नेगेटिविटी निकाल के और हैप्पीनेस को अंदर लाने की बात है, एप्रिशिएशन देने की बात है दूसरों को, सो दैट वाज ए गुड वर्कशॉप। मैं भी चाहूँगा कि और भी वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड करें ऐसी, इसका एडवांस कोर्स भी अटेंड करें श्योर। I wish all the success to Ranjit sir and his team. It's nice. If you want to add
मुझे
something.
बहुत अच्छा लगा। उससे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे मैं रियलिटी में सब कुछ मेरे अकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है। हैप्पीनेस के ऊपर जैसे जिस ढंग से इन्होंने हमसे निकलवाया, हमारे से लिखवाया हमसे लास्ट में, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
और इस ग्रुप को और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम इसको लॉयंस क्लब में भी इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे। रिसेंटली हम एक प्रोग्राम करना चाहते हैं सुबह, तो उसमें और भी होंगे सेशंस, उसमें हैप्पीनेस प्लस का भी सेशन एक रखेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I just want to say thank you for NLP training. I really love it so much, and we with my colleague we had an amazing lecture with Mr. Ranjit. These 4 days was very useful and exciting for us. Many thanks, Mr. Ranjit, for giving a chance to get the new knowledge and skills which can be used our professional and personal life. Thank you so much.
Hi, so we had amazing 4 days classes on NLP training, and we had to know how to become flexible and powerful in our communication, and how to remove all the emotional charges, and to be free from our memories, and how to create and build better relationship with another people, and the important thing how to develop our selling skills. So many thanks for Mr. Ranjit and for these classes. It was so helpful for us, and thank you, Mr. Kumar.
I'm Yoshita Pacholi. I recently got an opportunity to attend 2 days Enriched Awareness program of NLP with Ranjit Khuller and Abhishek Verma. It was really a great experience for me. I got an insight into myself, and I got to an awareness about my feelings, my thoughts, my emotions, my reactions about the things happening in environment. So it was helpful, and in this program I got to know amazing things about my mind, the subconscious and conscious mind. Also during the session only, Ranjit Khuller find that I am worrying, I'm not living my past, I'm worrying about it, I'm also worrying about my future. So that is why I'm very much confused about the small things in my life, and I'm not living in my present. So he did one therapy with me, and yes, it did work, and it is like till now also I am feeling very calm, relaxed, and I am just living my present. So that therapy really did work, and it was very helpful for me. I really want to thank Ranjit Khuller and Abhishek Verma for conducting such types of sessions, and I would love to further join the sessions also with these people, and their way of communicating the things, their way of making everyone comfortable during their session, and their mode of training and easy to understand ways really helped me to learn various techniques effectively, and yes, it has helped me a lot.